Oh, someone from Mission, South Dakota is calling me. Probably about my car's extended warranty. We're gonna pass. We're gonna pass on that. We're just gonna let it ring. Hi, hello, how are you? So today we're gonna be putting my typing speed and capabilities to the test. So let's get into it. All right, so a little backstory as to why I'm doing this video. So I have recently become crazy addicted to a hobby known as custom keyboard building. Specifically, I have been addicted to watching one specific content creator in particular. His name is Nathan. Some of you might know him better as Taeha Types. He's basically the biggest content creator, personality, and just overall he's the guy of custom keyboard building. I only just discovered him a couple weeks ago, which is when this whole craze of mine started. I've tuned into his streams when I can, and I have watched countless hours of his VODs that he posts on his YouTube channel, which I have just, I watch them when in my downtime, when I'm not, streaming or recording or working on music or whatever, and it's the perfect sleeping video. You just turn it on, you get to watch a cool guy make a cool keyboard, and then when you get sleepy, it's nice and peaceful. And he also plays like real jazz style music in the background of his stream, so it's a nice chill vibe to put you in a sleepy mood, and that's absolutely what I love about it. But with that aside, one of the things that Taeha always does after he gets done building for his clients, he always ends his streams with a typing test, and his viewers, they make predictions if he'll get under or over 140 words per minute, and then they also guess the exact words per minute that he'll score. And seeing as this is my new hobby and stuff, I figured I'd give this typing test a shot. I also haven't done a typing test since I took computer applications in middle school, so it's been a while, and honestly I have no idea how well or how fast I can type, so we're gonna find that out. Okay, so here we are. This is the exact same typing test program that Taeha uses at the end of his streams. It's actually a web browser. You can come here, it's monkeytype.com. It's awesome. You can test, your words per minute for up to 15, 30, 60, or 120 seconds. I'm going to be testing myself in 60-second format, just so I get a true count as to what my words per minute are. You can, change like the level of difficulty with it, like it's got normal, expert, or master. You can change the theme. These are all different keyboard color themes and stuff like that. Obviously I'm using the Olivia because like I said, the GMK Olivias are my absolute favorite keycaps that you pretty much can't get anywhere because I was late to the trend and they're sold out. Or you could try to buy them aftermarket, but that's kind of a terrible idea. But anyway, we're gonna take this test a few times. I'm allowed some free redos because Taeha does the same thing, and he goes redo. He says redo really fast, and I find it hilarious every single time. So we're gonna test my typing capabilities, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so here we go. Okay, here we go. It's been a long time since I've taken a typing test. I am kind of nervous to see how bad I am. So, I should also state that I am using my Logitech G Pro X keyboard, the SHROUD edition. Obviously, if you want to check out my review of this keyboard, you can click the card that will pop up right up there. Otherwise, the link for the video will be down in the description below. Anyway, let's get to the typing test. All right, let's see how this goes. The purposes of this video, since it's a typing test, I'm going to turn my gate off. That way you guys can hear all the clickety clackities of my keyboard, because some people like that. Honestly, seeing as this is my new hobby, I'm a fan of it. Never truly understood ASMR until I started listening to keyboard typing. I understand now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. How do I restart? Yeah, restart. Okay. Redo. Listen, everybody gets one. Okay. Oh my God. Redo. This is bad. This is tough. I have it's also because I'm trying to type fast too. If I took my time, all right, you know what? All right, I'm gonna take my time with this one. Try to spell things right. I do like how it doesn't tell you what wrong letter you press, so that way you can't just change your score. That is nice. Fuck. "82 words per minute with an 80% accuracy, 64% consistency." Wow, I'm bad. I'm bad at typing. Okay. Let's try this again, all right? Let's try this again. Actually, hold on. What's the average typing speed? The average typing speed is roughly 40 words per minute. Those can change dramatically depending on how you type. For those who type with just 2 fingers, the hunt and peck method. You need to look for each key to type something. No matter how fast you move, there's a limit to how fast you can type up words. Well, that makes me feel better. However, I think they're basing that off of the old lady hunt and peck technique. I used to be so good when I was younger. I remember getting like 140 when I was younger on this like one test. Granted, I think it was because I had taken the test a couple times, and like it's just trying to get us used to typing, so they're not having us type like random words in a sequence like this one does. This is definitely a more true test as to, you know, your word recognition and being able to actually type with accuracy and consistency. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Try it again. Nope. Ryu. Okay. Okay. Redo. Shit. Redo. I see now why he redoes it. Also, saying redo is just the easiest way to, you know, pass blame. Whoo. I keep accidentally pressing spacebar. Redo. Oh, this is hard, man. Ooh, nice. All right. I'm definitely like within the 80, like 80, 85 range. All right, one more. Redo. Do they make G Fuel for typers? Redo. Oh, redo. Dude, my left hand starts moving before my right hand does. I think it's because my left hand, I've gamed so much in my left hand that it's reacting so much quicker than my right hand, my right fingers do. Okay. Here we go. Last one. What did I even try to spell there? We broke 90, hell yeah. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay. I'll be honest. I thought I'd be a better typer. I have obviously become slow with my old age. I'm 23 and I type this slow. I'm about to be 24 tomorrow. Well, I guess by the time you guys see this, my birthday will have been yesterday. So, God, it's quite obvious that I need to do some more typing every single day. I think I might actually make a point to do this test a few times every single day just to get better. I at least wanted to be over 100 words per minute, but obviously I'm in that 80 to 90 range. It depends. Obviously, you know, this is, you know, random words thrown in a sequence instead of it being like actual sentences. I think if you're actually typing sentences, you know, your brain knows what words and what letters are coming next, whereas this is just like kind of reactive instead of proactive. But anyway, that's my typing speed and accuracy. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, not gonna lie. All right, but that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a good start to your year. I know I am having a good time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and also hit that little bell icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Now we're just gonna try to type as fast as we can. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.